everybody. My name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law every Saturday morning at 11 a.m. right here on News Talk WDBO. And let's go to Maryann. Maryann, are you there with me? So, Maryann, a few minutes ago we had a caller who was trying to be denied unemployment compensation from his former employer.
Correct.
He says he was fired. The employer says he abandoned his job. And so I'm saying, you tell me, what do you know about unemployment compensation? Yes.
Well, I'm an employer.
Okay.
And I was going to tell you a short scenario about a woman who worked for me, and for reasons unbeknownst to me, she decided to stop shredding credit card numbers because most of them are called in or taken down off the Internet. She put me in violation of federal law. I fired her. And you had made a comment to that last caller that if you're fired, you should be entitled to unemployment. So that really rubbed me the wrong way.
Well, then let's clarify, Maryann, because if I said that, I did not mean it.
Okay,
so
yeah.
you and I are on the same page. If you are fired for cause from a job, you do not get unemployment compensation.
And guess what? She got it.
Well,
you cannot stop the state of Florida from handing out your tax dollars. It is an abomination. I was so glad to hear that. When I heard you say that, I almost choked to death.
So, Maryann, what part did you play in this role? Did they call up and interview you and tell you why you fired this person and you had good cause and they said, well, we don't care, we're going to give it to her anyway?
Absolutely, and I can show you the paperwork.
And so we just don't know why they came with that explanation. Maryann,
they will give money to anybody these days because it's not their money.
Maryann,
it's my money and your money.
Hey, Maryann, do you have an idea how much you as an employer pay in unemployment compensation insurance every month? It's not much, is it? I know I pay it. I just don't remember what it is.
It changes. Every time we've had one man, he had his hair caught in a drill press. He had dreadlocks.
Okay.
Which is not an issue, except you've got to tie them back.
Yeah.
He refused to do it, and then he had an ankle problem, and he was walking around. I'm a manufacturer, which is unusual in this country.
Okay, yes.
And I told him, hey, you've got to pull your hair back, and you've got to put shoes on. I mean, this seems pretty simple. He got the money, too. I had to fire him. What am I going to do? He's going to rip half his skull off?
Yeah.
And they're going to sue me for everything I own?
Hey, Maryann, thank you for your hard work. Thank you for keeping your manufacturing jobs here in, it sounds like, Central Florida, and for operating a successful business and being a small business person just like me. And congratulations to you for making it work in this economy.